The plasma is a pale yellow substance that is made of 90% water and 10% dissolved substances such as food, nutrients, and so on and so forth. So you can read it and pause it para hindi ta magdugay gid. So cellular part naman sa aton nga blood is red blood cells and the white blood cells and the cell fragments called platelets. So these solid parts are suspended in the plasma and each of them has a distinct function to perform. So tunan yung illustration nga ara sa dalom ko. Okay? So the red blood cells. Blood cells or RBCs or erythrocytes contain a substance called hemoglobin which is rich in iron and gives blood its color. Amo nang nagapula ang aton nga dugo because it is rich in iron and combines with oxygen. White blood cells. So what are the purpose of white blood cells or WBCs or leukocytes? So, ang ratio sang white blood cells sa red blood cells is 500 to 1. So, every 500 nga red blood cell, there is 1 white blood cell. So, white blood cells are the soldiers of the body. So, there are two types of white blood cells. The phagocytes are engulfed the bacteria that causes diseases and burn out cells of the body. And the lymphocytes, which produce antibodies that help fight the infection. So, common injuries and disorders of the circulatory system: hypertension, atherosclerosis, coronary heart diseases, rheumatic heart diseases, stroke, and anemia. So, first is the hypertension, which is a sudden rise in blood pressure. So, kung high blood, hypertension, so high blood, which is caused by obesity, smoking, eating salty food, and so on, and lack of exercise, emotional stress. Kaya symptoms ini fatigue, dizziness, palpitations of the heart because nagataas ang aton nga blood pressure, okay? Kaya nagagamay ang aton nga blood vessels itungod sa tambok, okay? So you need to seek medical attention for remedy. Next is the atherosclerosis, which is a build-up of plaque sa the arteries man. So ginabarahan niya man. So common gid sa aton nga mga tambok ng mga utod ng mga Pilipino. And this can cause heart attack. So traidor gini ang heart attack kay gulpihon niya lang tani. So common causes is high fat diet kag smoking man. So don't smoke and maintain a balanced diet gid. So, refer to a doctor for medical attention. Next, coronary heart disease. So, coronary heart disease is the narrowing of small blood vessels man. Mas sa hypertension kag sang atherosclerosis. So, when the heart muscles do not receive enough oxygen, so the heart may die and heart attack may occur. So, sakit ginasang kamatayon. So, no symptoms at early stage. However, if it becomes serious, you may experience chest pain. So, gulpihon niya lang kaniya o kung makabatsyag pa man sa sakit, kag pwede ka pa seek medical attention, but kalabanan gid nga gakagulpihan na lang. So, ang remedyo lang sinis ang bypass surgery sa aton nga heart. Next, rheumatic heart disease, which is caused by a group A streptococcus bacteria. So, this weakens the heart due to the inflammation of the inner lining of the heart. So, may valve na sa heart, tapos hindi sa babaw, and the inability of the valve to close causes the blood to leak, producing a sound similar to heart murmur. So, doon nagahuni-huni ang imong heart na kay wala naga-close ang may naga-leak nga blood tungod nga ang valve sa babaw sa heart is wala naga-close. Symptoms of this is shortness of breath, palpitations, irregular heartbeat, inflammation, and pain in some parts of the body. Irregular na sa ang flow ng blood mo. And consult your doctor for treatment. So, amo na sang ginahambak ng mga valves sa babaw sa heart na ginagawaan sa dugo. So, normal valves nga kasi rugged. Kaya ang damaged valves is wala sa nagasira. So, nagalik ang dugo dira. Stroke. There are two types of stroke, the ischemic stroke and the hemorrhagic stroke. So, it is a clotting of the blood. And nag-rupture ini sa naguba ini sa due to high blood pressure man. O kung perti ang pagpalpitate sa heart lang nga kay tungod na sa nga gagamay ang aton nga mga arteries damo. Kung may naga-block sa aton nga mga arteries o kung sa tungod nga tambok nga sa kisa kag sa mga sa diet ra. So, if the arteries leading to the brain are blocked, so kalaban hindi na masakaan sa oxygen ng aton nga ulo, and it may die, and severe stroke may lead to paralysis or even death. For activity, answer in your book, page 94 to 95, letters A, B, and C. So thank you grade 6 for listening. So you can review your lesson and or your book sa ginambal ko nga page. Okay, sa 92 o 93 maaara na ang page ng circulatory system. So you can review and study. Kaysa this Friday sa 15 maano kita, ma-oral assessment. Okay? So I hope you can study and God bless.